This is the quick all you need to know review of this stainless steel garlic press. I am all about both functionality and style in my kitchen. Therefore, I prefer sturdy stainless steel products. When it was time for me to get a new garlic press, I got this one from Amazon, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. I was looking for something high quality, sturdy, and stainless steel. I also didn't want the inner compartment to be in plastic, which a lot of garlic presses are. This makes it more hygienic, easy to clean, and more power when pressing your garlic. It has an ergonomical design, so it's easy to hold and easy to press. The holes have a great size for pressing the garlic. I like that I can put it both in the dishwasher or rinse it by hand. I find the design super chic and elegant, and it matched the rest of my kitchen. What I also find important with garlic presses is that it presses everything all the way through, so you're not left with a lot of garlic stuck in the garlic press. This one definitely made a cut. Overall, it is easy to use and I'm happy with the purchase.